Film Photography with your host Gert-Jan van Voren, with guest appearance Simon de Loep, starring the Pentax 6x7, Nikon F3 and the Mamiya RB67. Hey, hello and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video I wanted to show a recap of a day where I went to the coastline of Belgium, where there was a dedicated day where everyone who owns an expensive car gets to show it off. I'm not the biggest car freak, but I still do enjoy a nice set of wheels when I see it. Also, it's a very good excuse to take out a film camera and shoot up some rolls. And for this video I went together with Simon de Loep. Simon is a photographer who I've met even before I had a camera of my own. He's actually one of the best nightlife photographers in Belgium, and it was a real pleasure to shoot with him. So check him out on Instagram. Anyways, we took our train to the beach and we thought it was a good idea to bring our bikes as well. Turned out we were right. Searching for supercars while walking takes up so much time. And after some searching, we found these two old Ferraris. Don't ask me what year or model, they were red and they look good. I took the first shots with the Mamiya from every angle that looked kind of right to me. To be sure, I took some other pictures with my Canon AE1 and these turned out great. Unfortunately, I'm still struggling to fix these light leaks on my Mamiya, but I ain't even mad with these pictures that I've got. The family who owned these cars took the opportunity for a free photo, and damn it, they got one. For the next stop, we saw this beautiful house surrounded by green and a lovely driveway. This region of the coast is inhabited by mostly wealthy people, and this shows considering all of the nice real estate you can see. Next up we saw this green Porsche GT3 RS. I looked it up, stopping for a refill, and there were so many photographers trying to get a picture of it. So I had to wait my turn and I got this shot. Right next to the gas station there was this roundabout where you could spot a lot of nice vehicles, but we figured it's not very easy to capture moving cars on film. Also, because of the crowd, it was a bit too much for three introverted people. After that it was time for a break, a beer, we spotted some dogs and reloaded our cameras.
No pressure?
Ja, no pressure.
After returning to the streets, we saw this older Mercedes SL, if I'm not mistaken. The combination of the Mercedes with the house was looking very good. Felt somebody lurking at our back, and it was a guy who wanted to show a real car. So he lured us into his dungeon where he hid a beast of a machine called Steel Boy. Steel Boy is also known as a BMW M6 and contains a lot of horses. He seemed very fond of it, and naturally we thanked him for the opportunity to shoot in the garage. The lighting wasn't very good, but I managed to get it in focus, so I'm still quite happy. Now for the last one, which was this Cadillac Coupe de Ville. She looked in pristine shape, and in my opinion it got some of the best shots of the day. The beautiful details in the car, the lights, it was the perfect subject to shoot on film. Because we grew a little tired, we wanted to shoot up our rolls and encountered this beauty of a house. Was worth a shot as well in our opinion. So that was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed as much as I did. I wanted to thank Simon for accompanying me in this day. Really enjoyed it, and also Kaltum for shooting the behind the scenes. Because we didn't film every single shot, I wanted to show some other pictures that I've got, so here we go. Thank you for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.